doing?
Watch as this off-duty officer turns a traffic light stop into an assault.
It says stop here on red. I saw you looking down doing everything else.
No, I was moving something in my bag.
Let me get your badge number.
You want to get arrested?
You're going to get arrested for assaulting a civilian. I was just assaulted by a police officer who punched me in the face through my window.
Is he pressing charges against me?
Yeah.
Because I yelled at him and stuff?
For assault, because you hit him.
Saying that I did it.
And he has video that you hit him.
And there's nothing where I can press for breach of peace for him yelling at me, whatever it is.